This is the Strangers Club where I went last night for an amazing dinner and had the pulled pork tacos. This is a great little spot in Casco Viejo. Come on in, and I had a chance to meet up with one of the owners who also distills rum for the restaurant. So we'll chat with him. All right, I am here with Carlos Esquivel of the Strangers Club in Casco Viejo.
Hi.
Tell me why this place has such a good reputation for the cocktails.
Well, first and foremost, all our cocktails are made from scratch. All the syrups, all the mixers, everything is house-made. So that way we can definitely guarantee the quality of the product. Also, our cocktails are not so elaborated in the sense that our cocktails have like 15 ingredients. Our cocktails are very basic, but are a reproduction of the classic ones with a twist on local flavors and local cuisine.
And what about the music scene here? Is that something that's building up?
Absolutely, there's a lot. The music scene here in Panama is a melting pot, so you have a lot of all kinds of music where salsa and reggaeton is the predominant type of music. But also there are some places where you can hear, classic rock and roll and blues, and especially at Strangers Club, our music turns you back, to that era where all the memories were great. We depending on the type of crowd that we have. For early dinner, we have certain type of music being played, like Sinatra, Tom Jones, Harry Belafonte, and then eventually, as the night progressed, also we changed the music to more classic tunes, like, for example, Stones, Motown, that kind of thing.